Hey there. Want to check your account balance or recent trades instantly without opening an app? Schwab MoneyCast is a free texting service that sends you key account info on demand. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to use it. First, you need to activate it. Go to your profile and account settings, find Schwab MoneyCast, and enroll your mobile number. Once activated, you can text simple commands to Schwab's short code. For example, text BAL for your balance, trade for recent trades, or quote symbol for a stock price. You'll get a secure text reply within seconds. My crucial pro tip? Use it for quick checks, not detailed analysis. It's perfect for a fast balance update or a stock quote while you're on the go. For anything requiring detail or transaction execution, always use the secure app or website. That's how you get instant financial snapshots with a simple text. What kind of quick info would you text for most often? Your balance, a quote, or something else? Let me know in the comments. For more guides on unique financial tools, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.